Hello friends, family, and beauty pageant contestants. My name is Alea, and in today's video, it's gonna be really relaxed, really chill. I got my tea in my favorite crochet mug. This is by Betty McKnit. She makes these really cool mugs with her name on it and her patterns. This is a 6-day man blanket, and I'm obsessed with this mug. She's actually sent me 3 of these because I broke the first one. And then she sent me 2 more. Thank you so much, Betty. I love it, and I use it literally every single day. My husband has adopted the other one, so it is what it is. It is what it is. I have my Tunisian crochet shawl that I absolutely love, and it goes with everything. I love this thing so much. Don't ask for it because I'm keeping it. And then I'm just working on another Tunisian crochet. This is just Tunisian crochet up in this video. Another Tunisian crochet project that I'm writing a pattern for. But today, excuse me, today I just want to come on here and kind of do a little cozy little vlog. I know normally Tuesdays are reserved for Tunisian Crochet Tuesday, but they're gonna go back to normal. But I just kind of wanted to do a little check-in of my life, and these past few weeks have been really rough. I don't want to get into specifics, but just to give a little analogy is what's going on. It's kind of like when you're walking down the street, it's pouring down rain, there's a hole in your bag, so stuff is falling out of your bag, you have a pebble in your shoe, and then everything, when you just thought that nothing else could go wrong, a car drives by really fast and sprays water on you because they hit a puddle. That's how it felt. That's how it felt. And I don't even know how to explain like the emotions that have been going through me and my family these past few days. But we're getting through it. We're taking it one day at a time, and that's really all you can do. So we're just loving on each other and praying and just really being there for one another. And yeah. that's really all we can do, and just love one another and just let each other know that we love each other. But one thing that happened, and I wasn't really expecting this. I don't have that big of a following on social media. I feel like I have a really nice tight-knit group of followers, and I love you guys for it. But on YouTube I had posted pre-recorded videos, so you guys didn't really know that I was gone. But on TikTok and Instagram, I post there every single day, and I interact with people every single day. It's kind of like when you're at school, you know what I'm saying, and you talk to your friends every single day. That's kind of how I was. And I had people check up on me, and they were like, hey, I haven't seen you posted in a few days. I haven't talked to you in a few days. How's everything going? And them just checking in on me and noticing my absence kind of validated me. And I just felt like, wow, there's people out here who actually do care. Who actually do care about me, and they don't see me every day, and they don't, I don't talk to them, or they don't see me in person. I do talk to them every day. And it felt really good to know that people were missing my presence. And it was great. Just knowing that somebody, just feeling the love, it was very nice in the time, and I really needed it. You guys have been showing me so much love on my videos and commenting such sweet things, and right now I have 229 subscribers, and to some people that's not a lot, but for me it's kind of a big deal. Because my YouTube, I've started and restarted my YouTube all the time, like so many times, because I haven't been getting engagement and stuff like that. But this time around, there's people who actually watch my videos and actually like what I'm doing and look forward to the next video. Like, it really keeps me going. You know what I'm saying? It really keeps me going knowing that there's somebody out there who really, I'm part of their day, and it's very validating, and I greatly appreciate it. I thank every single last person who watched my videos, and it's great, amazing. It's something that I really needed to keep going. Honestly, I didn't. If you'd have told me, a college graduate, what, a few years ago, that I would be a stay-at-home mom doing YouTube videos for a living, I would have said you are wrong. Well, it's not really a living because I'm not making any money, but we're getting there. We're getting to that point, hopefully. But I'm fine not making money, to be honest. I'm really enjoying the connections and the relationships that I'm having with you guys. It's very nice. Very nice, very refreshing. And I'm enjoying the positivity as well. It's just, it brings so much light to my day. So with that out of the way, I did want to come on here and ask you guys, what are you looking for from me when it comes to content? Like, do you want more tutorials, or do you like vlog style videos that I've been doing where I go shopping for yarn? Or, you know, do you guys want to see what's in the yarn store in my area or stuff like that? I want to know what you guys like. Or like to watch, because I know a lot of you just put on my videos or put on my live streams while you're crocheting, and it's kind of like we're having a FaceTime call, and I think that's so cool. And a lot of you have been missing my lives as well, because I didn't do any lives for the past 2 weeks now, and I don't think I'm gonna do one this week. I do think I'm gonna restart them next week. I know a lot of people have been enjoying my Bible study and crochet live streams that I've been doing, and that just warms my soul. That makes me so happy. I gotta make a thumbnail for those live streams. But yeah, I really like that. I'm glad that people are enjoying those types of videos as well, because I've just been posting what I've liked, but I want to know what you guys like. Do you want to see more hauls from me? Because y'all know I can do a good haul. I love hauls. I love buying stuff. I love shopping. So if you want that, I can do that. If you want me, say for example, if you see hand dyed yarn on Instagram and you're like, I want to buy it, but I don't know, I'd rather somebody review it first, let me know down in the comments. Like, I definitely want to work with Arcane Fibers. Their yarn is so gorgeous. I have like 10 different skeins in my cart, but I've not pushed the button to buy it yet. There's so many different ones. Do y'all want like hook reviews? Because I have been using, I normally keep with like the same type of hooks, but I do think that I'm going to start doing hook reviews, because I know like some people are like, what hook should I buy? And I have so many recommendations for different people. So I want to know, like, what do you look for when it comes to content? Like, what do you search for when you are looking for a good crochet video? I'm very interested, because I would like to be that person that you go to. There's some stuff that I do have planned coming up for this channel. I do plan on going to like local yarn stores and showing you all around there and what they have to offer. And also I will be going to the Maryland Sheep and Wool Festival in May, so that's gonna be exciting. I am saving my coin because I plan on going crazy. I'm so excited, and me and Betty will be there, so that's gonna be pretty cool. And or do you guys want me to do like reviews on yarns that are coming out in the big box stores? Just let me know. I really want to know what you guys want to see. I do have 2 tutorials planned. The only thing is that they take me a long time to film. So either my option is either I do them over like a few days, or I would have to like have somebody, because my husband works all the time. He works all the time, and so I would have to have somebody watch my son while I crochet. So I think like maybe my mom or mother-in-law, they love taking him for like the day. So maybe one time when they take him, then I'll be able to crochet while he's gone because he needs all the attention. So maybe one day I can sit down and actually do a start to finish tutorial of a pattern, because I know a lot of you like the baby blanket that I posted on my Instagram and in my whip for February video that I did, I think a few weeks ago. So I think I might do that for a tutorial and show y'all how I did that. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to really talk about right now. I just really want to say thank you to everybody who reached out to me while I was gone and noticed my absence. And if you didn't, that's completely fine. You just being a part of this community is enough for me. Oh, I also want to remind people to please follow me on Instagram. I have been posting so much on there, and if you have any questions, most likely I'll see it on Instagram first before I see it on YouTube, because YouTube is really weird when it comes to their notification. It's so strange. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for being a subscriber. Honestly, truly, thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of this community, and I appreciate you guys so much. But that's it. That's all I have for today. And I would love if you have not subscribed. If you could subscribe, that'd be great. Join my little crazy community. And like this video so that more crafty people can see it. And comment down below. I would love to know what videos you're into, what videos that I should do or you want to see from me, because I don't mind. If you have any questions, I could actually do a whole entire video on one person's question. I have no problem doing that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.